We do not have a problem with the tender, we have a problem with the priority.
ITUA ria bunge ya Senate kuhagura munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ona atahetwo mweke wa gwitetera thutha wa kugumirwo ni ndwari na kana mitaratara iria yagiriire ni rarumirirwo ni gatagati ka ndereti hiu iria ciatinda mirugamo ngurani igithie na mbere kwiyumiria.
Will your children be the ones?
Hamwe na aria mamenereirie itua riri ni gikundi kia atongoria a mwena wa MUNG'ETHANIRO aria marokire gucerera Gachagua thibitari-ini wa Karen kuria arathie na mbere kwamukira urigiti kuma muthenya wa ira. Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka. Atongoria aya maugite Gachagua ndanatuirwo na kihoto kuona ndanaheo mweke wa kwiyaria ona thengia ya mawakiri ake kuria bunge ya Senate kumuhe ihinda.
You cannot, the law of natural justice demands that no person, man or woman, shall be condemned unheard.
When Speaker Kingi withdrew to his chambers, what were his instructions? We suspect and we believe he was told by stroke of midnight, you must be done with this man. And that is what happened.
Kalonzo augite ona gutwika riri ni itua rigutura riririkanitwo wiyathi wa bunge ya bururi na bunge ya Senate riu ni undu wa gwikirirwo nganja akiuga gutirari na gitumi o giothe gia kuhenyukia mihang'o ino merio yake ikinyitwo mbaru ni mutongoria wa kiama kia DAPK Eugene Wamalwa.
What happened in the Senate last night was as historic as it was, it had serious flaws.
If we ever doubted that our parliament is under capture by the executive, a very overbearing executive, last night was our evidence.
Atongoria aya mathiete na mbere gwikwa ati speaker wa bunge ya bururi na speaker wa bunge ya Senate makoretwo makionania king'ang'a-ini murugamo wao ukoni ndereti ya kuhagura Gachagua makiuga gitama giki kiaritwo na maumirira gubangwo kuma o tene.
I once was deputy speaker of parliament, and one of the worst mistakes you can make as a legislator is to anticipate debate. The whole National Assembly anticipated the outcome of the deliberations of the Senate.
Open bias was shown by the Speaker, Wetangula, Deputy Speaker, Sholei, Majority Leader, Kimani Ichung'wah, the Chief Whip, Osoro, and there couldn't have been a fair trial for Rigathi.
Atongoria aya aria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio oho maugite ndereti ino ni rahithuririe king'ang'a-ini murugamo ngurani wa atongoria a kiama kia ODM aria makoretwo magithie mugaru na murugamo wa ngwataniro ino na kunyita mbaru thirikari.
We have differed not just on this impeachment, not just on joining the bread-based government. We have also differed on Adani, and yesterday we were in court led by senior counsel. Kenyans will on 22nd of October see who is really fighting for them, because we'll be back in court.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena Wawadurwa.